I won't lie, actually, I got fired from my 3K per month video editing job. And then after using my organic content business model, within 4 weeks, I was able to close a $5,000 deal online with social media. If you have a skill and you want to scale it to 10K online without buying any expensive course, then this is going to be by far the most important video you will ever see. 3 years ago, I bought 5 different courses, started 3 different businesses, dropshipping, e-com, lost money on all of them. And so I had to give everything up except for one online business model. I discovered that alhamdulillah actually took me to 5 figures just by using my skills as a content editor. So okay, take out your pen and paper. I'm giving you the exact blueprint that you can just follow. So make sure you stick till the end because it's going to change your life, inshallah. First, let me get this straight. Making money online is easy. What's hard is making yourself accessible to the people who need your help. Think it this way. Your sink starts leaking. Water is everywhere. You need a plumber right now. What do? You pull out your phone and search plumbers near me. One shows up, fixes everything in 30 minutes, charges you $100. Now you pay him not because he's a plumber, but because you had a problem and he was here to fix that problem. And more importantly, he was accessible. That's the game. Someone has a problem, you have a solution, and you are accessible. Value gets exchanged. But the thing is, you are not the only one solving that problem. You are one of a million offering the exact same service in the exact same way. It's not just you sending cold emails, applying to 100 job posts. Probably a million people is doing that right now. So what do? Well, you need the organic content business model. What is that? How does it work? Basically, you take the knowledge you already have, you put that knowledge online for free on social media, and people who get value from that free content will pay you to solve their problems. Let me tell you why this is hands down the best and most profitable business model for anyone with skills, especially for Muslims. First, it makes you accessible, and it's 100% halal. I know as Muslims, that's your biggest concern. You don't have to get fatwa from a sheikh whether it's halal or haram. Second, it requires zero upfront investment. You don't need expensive software or website. You don't need to run paid ads. You just need a free website builder like System.io. And we will talk about that in a minute. Third, profit margins are insane. We are talking 85 to 95% or even higher. When someone pays you for your service or your coaching, almost all of that money goes straight into your pocket. No shipping fees, no return headaches. Your only costs are maybe a domain name for $10 a year and the time you spend creating content. Fourth, and this is why I love it, it's exponentially scalable without you having to trade time for money. Every piece of content you create, whether it's a YouTube video or an Instagram post, keeps working for you forever. Honestly, I've got videos from a year ago that are still getting me views today, still getting me leads without me lifting a finger. That's what real leverage looks like. Compare that to traditional freelancing. Want to make more money? Work more hours. You hit a ceiling pretty fast, but with content, you create it once and it works for you indefinitely. Someone watches your video at 3 in the morning while you are sleeping, they learn from you, they reach out to work with you, and you didn't even know they existed until they sent you a message. And last but not least, this is the best part. Anyone from anywhere in the world can do this for absolutely free using just a phone and a laptop. Even right now, I'm literally doing this using my iPhone and monitoring everything on my laptop with a free software. And if you want to learn the exact process, I've put together a free, short, fun breakdown video plus every single tool you need to turn your skills into a 100K a year online business in under 5 minutes with content creation. I'm telling you, this video is going to change your life. Now, the first step to making money online is turning your skill into an actual offer. This is where a lot of Muslims mess up. They end up just selling services. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you are a social media manager. A typical offer would sound like this. I offer social media services to Muslims. This is a service-based offer. And yeah, that's technically what you do, but it could be so much better if you shift your focus from the service to the solution. A solution-based offer would sound like this. I help halal businesses get 20 qualified leads per month through organic content. See the difference? You are literally doing the same thing, but the second offer sounds way better because it takes you out of the picture and puts all the focus, all the energy on what the client actually gets. One is about what you do, the other is about what the client gets. Now, to create a solid offer, you are going to use a free website builder called Systeme.io. It comes with some really cool templates, so you don't have to deal with the headache of designing a website from scratch. All you need to do is edit the text and swap out the pictures for your own custom offer. That's it pretty much. I'm not going to walk you through building a full website here because I already covered that in this video. The next step is driving traffic to your website, because you could have the best offer in the world, but if nobody knows you exist, your business will always struggle. This is where most people will tell you to send cold emails or on Facebook and Google Ads. Now, the problem with that approach, you don't have much control over the results. Imagine spending thousands of dollars just to get random clicks on your website with zero sales to show for it. That's painful, especially when you're just starting out on a tight budget. Sure, ads can work, but they require serious capital, they require an expert, and for most Muslims trying to build something halal, they are basically a money pit. You end up burning thousands of dollars trying to figure out what works while competing against massive companies with huge budgets. But since I'm here, you are getting a completely free solution. You got a phone and $50, that's literally all we need. We are going to use a dumb phone and a $50 mic to create organic content for social media. Again, if you want to turn your skills into an online business using content, I've got something really special for you. With this, you just pull out your phone and start making money online right now using organic content, inshallah. It shows you how to create content in under 5 minutes and turn your skills into a 100K a year online business. A short, fun breakdown video plus every single tool you need to get started. Grab it for free using the link in the description. Now, I'm sure you already have social media accounts. You just need to start posting there. Every piece of content you create should follow this very simple framework. Identify a problem your audience is facing, then provide the solution in your free content. That's it. No, actually, think about it. Why do people fall for these money-making scams? It's because these online gurus market themselves so well that people feel dumb saying no. And that's exactly what we are gonna do, but the right way, inshallah. Let's say you are a graphic designer targeting Muslim businesses. Your content could be something like 5 designs that get halal businesses more customers fast. You are simply telling, this is the problem and this is how you solve it. If that video helps someone, proves you the expert, and makes you the person they will turn to when they need more help. Now, obviously, there's more to it: scripting, editing, thumbnails, and look, I don't want to force anything on you. But if you want to get there fast, like Bilal, Ali, or Jason, with my personal help turning your skills into a 100K a year online business using this exact business model, I would love to invite you to join my coaching program, where we will create a custom content strategy specifically designed to help you earn money using your skills and brand, inshallah. Alright, good job with the offer. You have made your offer accessible, but you are still competing with thousands of other people. So how in the world are you gonna win against the big players? You definitely don't want to enter a market where you are fighting millions of people for the same opportunities. Like, imagine you are a coder and I am a coder and we are at the exact same skill level, but either one of us is getting hired for that job post. Funny, it's not even just the two of us. There are literally thousands of people applying to every single job post on LinkedIn. The beautiful thing about this business model, you can easily bypass all the competition and actually get clients sliding into your DMs begging you to work for them. Let me tell you why. Social media for Muslims, it's a blue ocean. I challenge you right now. Go search for your skill on YouTube or Instagram and add the word Muslim or halal to your search. How many Muslims do you see creating content about web development, marketing, engineering, consulting? The answer is practically nobody. But there are literally millions of Muslims searching for halal ways to grow their business, make money, and solve their problems. No. Actually, you tell me, how many times you have gone on YouTube trying to learn something from a Muslim brother only to end up watching Alex Ramosi instead, or non-Muslims? When I was freelancing, bro, every single day was a battle between me and haram projects. I had to deal with music in almost every project, and there was nobody I could turn to, nobody I could look up to for guidance. My sheikh would just say, yo, that's haram. Try to replace it with something halal. But with this business model, I was just able to quit my haram job. I'm actually making way more than I used to, and what really fills my heart is that it's 100% halal. And I get to work with my Muslim brothers. And trust me, when you position yourself this way, you get to choose the projects that align with your values. You now have the freedom to avoid haram, work with people who respect your boundaries, and build a business that's not just profitable, but blessed. You should take advantage of this opportunity now, before this business model gets saturated, as more and more Muslims are coming on social media. And guess what? I didn't even get to the best part yet. This business model creates evergreen assets. Like, I published a video on my main channel a year ago, and it's still getting used to this day without me spending a single dollar on promotions or anything like that. But that video has helped me close 5K deals. Alhamdulillah. Think about it. You film a video in 1 hour. If that video performs well, you get views and clients for free. And as your personal brand grows, you start getting more views, more traffic, more clients. But you are still only spending 1 hour filming those videos. So don't waste any more time. Don't keep watching videos without ever taking action. This is your sign to finally start. Go and come back to comment on this video when you hit your first 10K using this exact business model, inshallah. Till next time, assalamu alaikum.